All right, let's dive right into this explainer. There's a massive shift happening right now in the YouTube landscape, and we really need to talk about it. While the rest of the internet is out there charging crazy monthly fees for pro-level AI tools, YouTube has just quietly integrated this incredibly powerful, completely free AI directly into its own platform. It's wild. So today we're going to crack open exactly how this tool works and why the data suggests it might literally make those expensive YouTube gurus obsolete overnight.
Look, we've all been there, right? You pour your absolute heart and soul into a video, you hit publish, and then nothing but crickets. Why are my views so low? It's got to be the most common, hair-pulling question on the platform. And honestly, it sucks. But the worst part, predatory gurus know exactly how desperate that makes us. They exploit that exact frustration, sliding into your comments to sell you these expensive, totally useless courses that promise the world but deliver absolutely nothing. They claim they've hacked the algorithm, but let's be real, most of them are just guessing.
So we're looking at a pretty stark contrast here between the old way and the new way. On one side, you've got those paid gurus. They're expensive, and their advice, it's largely based on guesswork or just outdated tactics. But on the flip side, you have YouTube's new free AI. It literally costs you nothing, and instead of just guessing, it's feeding you direct data straight from the YouTube algorithm itself. The era of emptying your wallet on courses just to figure out what works, yeah, that is officially over.
Okay, real quick, here's our roadmap for this explainer. First, the end of paid gurus. 2, we'll meet Ask Studio. 3, analyzing your performance. 4, going from ideas to scripts. 5, SEO and monetization. And finally, number 6, no more excuses. Let's get into it.
Section 1. The end of paid gurus. A massive shift.
So if this AI tool is really the ultimate guru replacement, where exactly is it hiding? The best part is you don't need any special software or premium subscriptions to find it. Step 1, just open up your browser on your phone or your PC. Step 2, head over to YouTube Studio. By the way, if you don't have a channel yet, simply click Create Channel and give it a name. Then step 3, just look right up at the top menu bar. There is a brand new icon up there called Ask Studio. Click it once and boom, you're in. It is literally that easy to access.
Section 2. Meet Ask Studio, your AI strategist. Let's actually see this AI in action using an example from the source material, a channel called How Crypto. The second you open it up, the chat window greets you. Hello, How Crypto. How can I help you? Right off the bat, you can see it's personalized. It immediately offers these actionable prompts, kind of acting like your own dedicated strategist who's ready to help you grow based on your actual data. It can summarize your entire comment section or just dive straight into suggesting new video ideas for you.
Section 3. Analyzing channel performance. Stop guessing.
Now, this brings us to the absolute core feature, asking the tough questions. Instead of just sitting around guessing why a channel isn't growing, the creator of How Crypto went into Ask Studio and just asked it bluntly. Why are my views so low? And the AI analyzed the data and came back with a huge surprise. It basically told the creator, hey, don't panic. Looking at the analytics, things weren't bad at all. In fact, the channel had pulled in 53,000 views in the last 28 days. To put that in perspective, that was actually up 21% compared to the previous period. The creator totally thought they were failing, but the AI stepped in and proved they were actually growing pretty rapidly.
And this just brilliantly illustrates how the AI acts as your personal data analyst. It didn't just give a pat on the back. It provided a full channel health report. It noted that the overall health was stable and the publishing consistency was great. It even highlighted that their Binance trading course for beginners, which had previously hit over 1 million views, was still their top performer. But here is where it gets really magical. Based on what that specific audience was doing on the platform, the AI knew exactly what they wanted next. It suggested the creators start doing market updates and live trading sessions. No generic, cookie-cutter advice, just pure data-backed suggestions.
Section 4. From ideas to scripts. Creative heavy lifting. Okay, so it can analyze the past flawlessly, but what about creating your future? Well, when the creator asked for video ideas, the AI didn't just spit out generic garbage. It actually tapped into what the audience watches across all of YouTube, and it offered highly specific, localized niches tailored directly to that exact community. We're talking ideas like Binance Technical Analysis 2026, a channel growth guide, and even Pinterest affiliate marketing tailored for Pakistan. It even suggested comparison videos, like Forex versus crypto trading. It literally analyzes the entire ecosystem and tells you exactly what has the highest probability of succeeding for you. But get this, it doesn't even stop at the idea phase. The creator actually asked the AI to write out the script, and it entirely delivered. It whipped up the perfect attention-grabbing hook to boost retention, a super smooth introduction, and a practical demo outline for the video. You can literally just sit there, discuss your topic with the AI, and it will structure the exact flow of what you need to show on screen to keep your viewers hooked. It's like having a co-writer sitting right next to you.
Section 5. SEO and Monetization. Cracking the rules.
All right, let's shift gears to the business side of things. Creators are constantly terrified of YouTube's monetization rules, especially when it comes to AI, right? They usually spend a fortune on experts to figure it out. Well, the creator just asked Studio directly, "Can I get monetized using AI clips?" The AI laid it out crystal clear based on the rules. If you just take pure AI clips and sounds and upload them without any changes, YouTube flags that as reused content, and boom, demonetization. However, if you add your own voiceover, your own commentary, and inject your own educational or entertainment value into it, it's totally safe for monetization. You've got to add original value, no lazy copy-pasting allowed.
And then, of course, there is SEO, search engine optimization. Gurus used to charge an absolute premium for this, but Ask Studio handles the whole shebang in seconds. You just ask it to SEO your video, and it instantly spits out 3 fully optimized title options. Don't like them? It generates more. It writes a complete, keyword-rich video description. It provides highly searchable tags. You can even tell it, "Hey, I'm in Pakistan, optimize these tags for a local audience." And it just does it instantly. It completely removes the need to outsource your SEO ever again.
Section 6. No more excuses. Demolishing barriers.
So all of this really builds to one massive realization. With this ultimate tool built freely right into the platform, the old barriers to entry are completely demolished. I mean, the old way was blaming the algorithm when things didn't work out and constantly depending on other people, paying for courses or begging experts for advice. The new way? It's asking the algorithm directly. You have the actual data right at your fingertips. You can finally stop looking for a boss to tell you what to do and step up to become your own boss.
Which brings us to our final thought for today's explainer. The tool is right there. It's totally free. It knows every single thing about the platform, your channel, and your specific audience. So the real question is, now that you have this insane level of insight at your fingertips, are you going to take action and succeed? Or are you going to keep finding excuses for why your channel isn't growing? The choice is entirely up to you. Thanks so much for joining me today. Now go open up Ask Studio and see what it can do for you.